to reset the discourse on India from a Christian perspective. Our focus is on the Syriac heritage of the Syro Malabar Church. We shall use the term Syriac heritage to mean a broad spectrum of items that include the different aspects of the Syriac language, liturgy, theology, music, melodies that originated with Syriac texts, as well as melodies that were composed anew in Kerala for the Syriac translation of the Latin chants between the 16th and 19th centuries, Syriac poetry by poets from West Asia, as well as South Indian poets like Alexander the Indian, Father Chandy Kadavil, Blessed Kuriakose Elias Chavara, Syriac prosody, poetic meters, performance practices, and rhythmic cadences that are unique to the Syriac tradition, and above all, the Aramaic way of thinking. I came across this phrase from a recent interview with Father Charles Pyngott. Our goal is to increase awareness and appreciation for our unique heritage, to discuss ways and means to preserve it for posterity, as well as to make it a part of the faith formation of our children.